Babytone Video Monitor brings you an amazing camera and video recording experience. The full HD resolution camera can be freely rotated to get any viewing angle you want. And the night vision function will automatically turn on in any dark light environment. With a TF card installed, Babytone Video Monitor will enable the recording function by default. And you can find the recording on OFF switch in settings. As you can imagine, you can play back the clips you want on the monitor. Also, you can export the clips you wish to keep permanently to a TF card, and transfer to your computer or other flash memory.